Hi guys, how are you all today? I hope you all are doing very good. This is Professor Addy. Basically, I am a professor, entrepreneur, motivational speaker, and business consultant. Welcome to my channel, Learn Bengali through English. Okay, so in today's session, we're gonna discuss about your, that how we can use your in Bengali. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please go through the last two videos because it will be helpful for you to understand today's lesson. Okay, so let's not waste more time because as you all know that in today's situation we all are going through a bit difficult time because of this coronavirus. So my advice to all of you that please utilize your time rather than waste your time, and try to learn this language, try to speak. It will be helpful for your future, and write it down in the below comment section that how are you and how is your place, how is the scenario, in how is your daily life, like that. Okay, and if you are new to my channel, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel if you wanna learn this language, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Just hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video. Okay, so let's jump into our session. In today's session we're gonna learn about your. Okay, so your actually it has many uses. So sometimes we are using in a singular form, or sometimes we are using in a plural form. So it can be used as তোর, তোমার, আপনার. Again I am repeating, তোর, তোমার, আপনার, when singular. So when your is singular form, we are saying তোর, তোমার, আপনার. Okay, just a minute, let me minimize. Okay, and when your is plural, we are using তোদের, তোমাদের, আপনাদের. One more time, তোদের, তোমাদের, আপনাদের. তোদের, তোমাদের, আপনাদের in case of plural, তোর, তোমার, আপনার in case of singular. Okay, let's see the use. So singular use of তোর. Okay, first use তোর. So তোর is we normally using informal way of speaking. Normally those are much younger than us or same age, like in case of friend. Okay, so তোর we are using when we are talking to our friend, we are talking to our brother, sometimes sister, and to our student, like that. So it is an informal way of speaking, like student, brother, sister, friend, and so on. Okay, so let's take a look the example. Like, I like your smile. I like your smile. Suppose you are talking to your friend. I like your smile. You are telling her, you are telling him that I like your smile. In Bengali, this is called তোর হাসিটা আমার পছন্দ. তোর হাসিটা আমার পছন্দ. Your means, as I said, তোর, and smile means hashi. This is the new vocabulary for you. And like and I already we have discussed both through the last video. So actually the new vocabulary for you, that is smile. I like your smile. তোর হাসিটা আমার পছন্দ. তোর হাসিটা আমার পছন্দ. I like your car. I like your car. তোর গাড়িটা আমার পছন্দ. Car means গাড়ি, already we have discussed. Like means পছন্দ, already we have discussed. So I like your car. তোর গাড়িটা আমার পছন্দ. What's your father's name? What's your father's name? তোর বাবার নাম কি? তোর বাবার নাম কি? Father's name. Father means baba, already discussed. What's your father's name? তোর বাবার নাম কি? Okay, so I hope it's clear. So in that way we are using তোর. What's your father's name? তোর বাবার নাম কি? I like your car. তোর গাড়িটা আমার পছন্দ. I like your smile. তোর হাসিটা আমার পছন্দ. Okay, second, number 2. Number 2 use is tomar. These are the singular use, tomar. So this is also the informal way of speaking. Normally those are younger than us, or maybe the same age, or maybe very close to our heart, very close to our heart. Okay, like very close to our heart, like our parents, our partners. Okay, so they are the very close to our hearts, and you know, those are the younger than us, like any stranger, students, you know, cousin, brothers, sisters. They may be the same age, maybe the younger than us, so we are using toma. Let's take the example, take a look. So I like your smile, the same example, I like your smile. তোমার হাসিটা আমার পছন্দ. Okay, তোমার, so here your is তোমার. তোমার হাসিটা আমার পছন্দ. তোমার হাসিটা আমার পছন্দ. But if you are adding very much, okay, suppose you are talking to your partner, so must apply. You know, when you are talking to your partner, she might be very impressed. So I like your smile. I like your smile very much. So very much means খুব. Then this sentence maybe you can say like that. তোমার হাসিটা আমার খুব পছন্দ. তোমার হাসিটা আমার খুব পছন্দ. So if you are adding I like your smile very much, তোমার হাসিটা আমার খুব পছন্দ. Okay, next example. I like your car. তোমার গাড়িটা আমার পছন্দ. তোমার গাড়িটা আমার পছন্দ. What's your father's name? তোমার বাবার নাম কি? What's your father's name? তোমার বাবার নাম কি? I like your eyes. তোমার চোখ আমার খুব পছন্দ. I like your eyes. তোমার চোখ আমার খুব পছন্দ. Okay, suppose when you are, you know, talking to your like let's see one of your cousin brother, okay, and he bought a new car and you want to communicate with him in Bengali. So he bought a new car, so you can say like that, I like your car man, I like your car. In Bengali, তোমার গাড়ি আমার পছন্দ. তোমার গাড়ি আমার পছন্দ. What's your father's name? তোমার বাবার নাম কি? I like your eyes. তোমার চোখ আমার খুব পছন্দ. So new vocabulary is eyes. Eyes means চোখ. Eyes means চোখ. Eyes means চোখ. Next, number 3 use apna. So use in formal way of speaking. Normally those are elder than us or stranger. Apna. Okay, so using formal way of speaking. Remember previous to that was the informal way of speaking, but apna, that is the formal way of speaking. Normally those are elder than us or maybe the stranger, like when we are talking to our teachers, professors, principals, etc. Okay, so like let's see the example. Where is your address? Suppose you are talking to your teacher. Okay, that sir, where is your address? আপনার বাড়ি কোথায়? Address means বাড়ি or ঠিকানা. Okay, that may be the new vocabulary, বাড়ি or ঠিকানা. আপনার বাড়ি কোথায়? Where is your address? আপনার বাড়ি কোথায়? আপনার বাড়ি কোথায়? আপনার ঠিকানা কোথায়? Where means কোথায়. This is the new vocabulary. Where is your address? আপনার বাড়ি কোথায়? কোথায়, where means কোথায়. Address means বাড়ি or ঠিকানা. I like your car. Same example. আপনার গাড়ি আমার পছন্দ. You are talking to your principal. I like your car sir. আপনার গাড়ি আমার পছন্দ. What's your father's name? What's your father's name? আপনার বাবার নাম কি? You are talking to, talking to a stranger and you are asking him, what's your father's name? আপনার বাবার নাম কি? আপনার বাবার নাম কি? Okay, I hope it's clear. Next, plural forms. Okay, so as I said that your is used in both ways, singular as plural. So plural form number 1, তোদের. Okay, তোদের. So তোদের is used, it is the actually informal way of speaking when you are talking to your friends, students, brothers, sister and so on. Normally those are younger or maybe the same age. Same thing. It's a plural form and that was the singular form. Very simple, very easy. If you have any problem, just comment in the below comment section and I'll definitely answer to your question. Okay, so let's see some example. What is your name? You have to use তোদের. তোদের নাম কি? What is your name? তোদের নাম কি? Suppose a group of students, you want to know their name. So তোদের নাম কি? What is your name? তোদের নাম কি? What may be the new vocabulary? What means কি? Name means naam. Already we have discussed. Name means naam. Address means ঠিকানা or বাড়ি. Home means also বাড়ি. Okay? Address means ঠিকানা or বাড়ি. Home means also বাড়ি. And come means আসা, already discussed. What is your name? তোদের নাম কি? Where is your address? তোদের বাড়ি কোথায়? Where is your address? তোদের বাড়ি কোথায়? I'm coming to your home. You are talking to a group of students. So you are talking to them. I'm coming to your home. আমি তোদের বাড়ি আসছি. I'm coming to your home. আমি তোদের বাড়ি আসছি. Okay? I'm coming to your home. আমি তোদের বাড়ি আসছি. Okay? Is it clear? Okay. Thank you very much. Next, number 2, use তোমাদের. তোমাদের, same informal way of speaking. Suppose when you are talking to your cousin, brother, sister, parents, students, strangers, and so on. Normally those are younger. Sometimes they can be the same age, may or may not be close to our heart. This is very important. Suppose তোমাদের, normally when we are talking to our parents, we are using তোমাদের, so they are very close to our heart. But when we are talking to our strangers, so they obviously they may not be the close to our, because they are the strangers, so they are not close to our heart. So this is very important. So let's take a look. So we can use both. তোমাদের. Suppose what is your name? Suppose you are talking to your student. What is your name? তোমাদের নাম কি? তোমাদের নাম কি? And before example also, you may be don't get confused. What is your name? তোদের নাম কি? So in the same way, but maybe you have to understand, like those are the kids, like those are school going students. So for that they are the much younger than us. So for them we are using তোদের. What is your name? তোদের নাম কি? And those are the like college going students, maybe they are doing their bachelors or maybe university students, and we should give them some respect. So when we are talking with them, so we are using তোমাদের. A group of students, you want to know their name, so you are asking one by one. Okay, what is your name? Tell me one by one. তোমাদের নাম কি? তোমাদের নাম কি? What is your address? তোমাদের বাড়ি কোথায়? What is your address? তোমাদের বাড়ি কোথায়? I am coming to your home. আমি তোমাদের বাড়ি আসছি. আমি তোমাদের বাড়ি আসছি. I am coming to your home. আমি তোমাদের বাড়ি আসছি. Come means আসা, already discussed. Home means বাড়ি, already we have discussed. Address, ঠিকানা or বাড়ি. Name means নাম. Where means কোথায়. Let's take a look. What is your name? তোমাদের নাম কি? তোমাদের নাম কি? Here we are using তোমাদের. What is your address? তোমাদের বাড়ি কোথায়? I'm coming to your home. আমি তোমাদের বাড়ি আসছি. I'm coming to your home. আমি তোমাদের বাড়ি আসছি. Okay. Next. আপনাদের. Okay. আপনাদের plural form. Formal way of speaking, like আপনি, আপনাদের. আপনি is singular. আপনাদের, আপনারা singular. আপনাদের plural, আপনি singular. Use formal way of speaking to when you are talking to your teachers, professors, strangers, and so on. Normally those are elder than us and you want to give respect to them. Like what is your name? You are talking to your principal. A group of teacher. When you are talking to a group of teacher, আপনাদের নাম কি? You want to know their name. So আপনাদের নাম কি? Okay. Where is your address? আপনাদের বাড়ি কোথায়? I'm coming to your home. আমি আপনাদের বাড়ি আসছি. I'm coming to your home. আমি আপনাদের বাড়ি আসছি. So you know why I am taking the same example, because you know I don't want you guys to be confused. So but there are a lot of vocabularies are there. Please do one thing, you just write it down in the below comment section that you want to speak these sentences is Bengali and ask me. I will definitely help you out. Okay, so come on, one more time, keep pronouncing with me. You can pause the video, you can understand the sound, you can understand the accent that what I am saying. What is your name? So name means already we know that is naam. So what is your name? আপনাদের নাম কি? Your. So your means here we are using আপনাদের. আপনাদের নাম কি? Where is your address? আপনাদের বাড়ি কোথায়? I am coming to your home. Home means বাড়ি. I am coming to your home. Come means আসা. আমি আপনাদের বাড়ি আসছি. আমি আপনাদের বাড়ি আসছি. Okay, any doubt? I hope it's clear. Okay, so finally we are at the end of our almost end of our session. So there is a task for you. As you know that in my every videos, in my every lesson, you have some tasks and you have to do it so that you will understand this language in a deep way. So your task is you have to rewrite this sentence in Bengali. Okay, so for that you might be maybe you have problem due to the lack of vocabulary, but don't worry, you can Google it, or maybe you can ask me in the comment section. You can email me if you have any problem, or if you need some special guidance. I used to teach many students, those in abroad as well as the Indian students. So if you need some special guidance, you can contact me that you have problem in this lesson. And trust me, you will enjoy this language because this is the world most sweetest language. Okay, so your task is I like your cooking. I like your cooking. You have to use to me, and you have to rewrite this sentence. Use to me, cooking. Okay, I like your cooking. No, I'm not gonna say right now, but maybe the next just if I get some good response, then maybe I will give some answer. Okay, what's your age? What's your age? Please don't ask to any Indian lady, or maybe to any female to ask. Don't ask to your partner, because normally they might be get angry. So what's your age? You can use tui or apnar. Tui, apnar. What's your profession? You want to know someone's profession, you have to rewrite this sentence. Use apnar, apnader. What's your plan? You are talking, suppose you are talking to your friend and you want to know his plan. What's your plan? Use tor and tomar. Tor and tomar. Okay, so plan is plan. In Bengali also plan. So there is some other meaning, but let it. You can use plan. Normally we are saying like that. What's your plan? So tor or tomade, you can use both and rewrite the sentence. What's your phone number? You want to know someone's phone number, so you can use toma or apna. Okay, try it. You can do it definitely. And thank you very much. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for watching these videos. And if you are new to my channel, please smash the like button if you really like this video and you want to learn this language. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video. So thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Take care. Tata. Bye bye. Thank you.